Only inweta this video, emeto aka na share button ka ozi a gbasa. I got this message. I will say it's a confirmed, that this statement is confirmed. But I am only saying that somebody sent this message to me. I am not sure, but I am just letting it out the way I got the message. So, I don't know if this is true or not, but let us share the thought of this guy, Mefa. Then you will tell me what you think about it. This message will in respect to Ijele, about the second detention of Ijele. Don't forget that Zion Ministry has washed their hands of the case of Ijele. He was supposed to be released because they helped him to perfect his bail condition, which he has been able to do for ahili for 10 years. But while we were waiting for him to be released, bam, another news came that he is still there. Now, this is what somebody sent to me. He said, hello, bro. In the case of Ijele, I received first-hand information about it. Remember, I am only reporting. I am only reading out what somebody sent to me. Remember, they conspired against that man of God, referring to the person who is holding Ijele down now. They conspired against that man of God with one of the members who took the church money, and he is a banker. So Ijele felt he can do the dirty job based on people he think he knows. And that was what led to the bragging, why he was bragging. You get the point. The member of the church who the church money, the member of the church who took the church money bragged to bring the church down and close the church because they are asking him to bring the money. But he has been enjoying the money, so it seems difficult for him to return it. Note that church has been in existence for over 30 years. Why is it now that they are talking about the church in a bad way? It's just the money embezzled by individuals and seem difficult to return in billions in bracket. So he decided to fight the church with the remaining money with him. And that's why they contacted that Ijele. Then, mind you, people are tired of Christianity. I don't know, maybe he is tired, but me and my family, we are not tired. Note, people are tired of Christianity in Igbo land. So anyone who speaks against any man of God will be riding on. So I don't know if this is why the man of God or the church that took Ijele in for the second time, I don't know if this is the reason why they are still holding him down. Remember what this person said, that Ijele was contacted to do a dirty job to cover up for a banker who embezzled the money of the church. Now, why the church was demanding accountability from him, he rushed to Ijele to use Ijele to distract the church based on the bragging to the church that is going to bring the pastor down and close down the church. Remember, in this particular video, I have not analyzed this video. I have not done my usual analysis in this video. What I did here was to read out the message just the same way I got it. I'm just thinking. This got me thinking. Is this really the situation or not? Share your thoughts on the comment section. Ezugo.